Are you looking for a unique custom home in the beautiful town of Palisade, Colorado? Not to mention amazing views? You're gonna want to check out our newest listing here at 3858 Puerta Vista Court. Let's go take a look. Step inside and let the light pour in. Floor-to-ceiling windows form the landscape, while soaring ceilings in the kitchen and living room create a sense of openness. The kitchen is a showpiece, with concrete counters, a statement butcher block island, and sleek, modern finishes that blend style and function. Exceptional lighting throughout the home adds warmth and drama, with every fixture chosen intentionally. Upstairs, the loft-style master suite is private and intimate. The 5-piece bath features a large soaking tub, walk-in shower, and dual vanities. While downstairs offers flexibility with 2 spacious bedrooms, a full bath, and generous living space, perfect for guests, family nights, or a creative space. Out back, enjoy the views and relax on your expansive patio. Need space for a project or additional storage? Enjoy the 700 square foot shop with ample space for every need. Tucked at the back of a peaceful cul-de-sac with close proximity to downtown Palisade, this home offers privacy, space, and panoramic views from every room. This home is a statement, modern, intentional, refined, and built to inspire. Schedule your showing today. Give me a call at 970-697-7232.